Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing and sorting seeds to avoid mold. This matters. Once rinsed, place 1/2 cup seeds in the stainless sprout maker basket and add twice the water volume, then set a timer for 6-8 hours so they hydrate evenly. Make sure to position the basket over the base or tray for automatic drainage. If your maker has a lid, secure it loosely to allow airflow. This first step triggers germination and sets the stage for healthy sprouts. Once the soak finishes, drain completely and start a rinse cycle. Do this 2 to 3 times daily to keep seeds moist but not waterlogged. You should rinse with cool water, swirl gently, and return the basket tilted so excess drains and air circulates. This prevents rot. Make sure to maintain a steady room temperature between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius and keep the sprout maker out of direct sunlight to avoid overheating. This middle phase builds root and leaf structure steadily. You harvest when roots reach about 1 to 2 centimeters and small leaves appear, usually between day 3 and day 7 depending on seed type. Once done, give a final rinse, shake off excess water, let them air dry briefly, and then store in the fridge where they keep 2 to 3 days. If at any point sprouts become slimy, emit a bad odor, or develop visible mold, stop immediately. Discard the batch and sanitize the stainless sprout maker with hot water and a scrub to prevent cross-contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.